Now that we have our images placed on every page, we can now start to add the captions for the images. So once again, just click on the screen next to the page that you want to do first. You can either click in the white area of the page or you can click in the grey pasteboard area around the side. As long as you click and tell InDesign, this is where I want my caption. And with InDesign, as you know, you can use the type tool and you can physically type in the captions. That would work. To the width of the text box that you create, and then you can move that around, you can resize it and shift it into position. That's one way. The other way is if you've got the captions already typed up in, say, Word, you can select the text from Word or anywhere else really, select it, copy it, Command C, go back to your InDesign document and paste, Command V, and InDesign will give you the text as a slab. Now, if you go to this spread here, which really there's no room for text, there's no white paper left. What you can do here, if you choose to, you can create a rectangle box. Let's say we'll make it white in color. So don't forget your swatches over here. Choose white, no outline. So no outline, just white fill. And then you can do this. You can go to your Word document and you can select the text, copy it. Click again to tell InDesign you're now here and paste the text and then reposition it on that rectangle. Now, if you think that the white looks ugly, which it kind of looks a bit stark, you can make it more transparent. And I'll show you how to do that. It's actually quite a nice little feature. Let me zoom in and see how it's hyphenated already. So I want to go to paragraph and say don't hyphenate. But if you select the white rectangle shape and right click it, there's this thing in InDesign called effects. It's a bit like Photoshop and Illustrator. If you choose transparency, you can actually bring down the transparency of the white box and you can actually then see the image underneath. So you can have it, semi-transparent like that, and then it doesn't detract from the artwork underneath. We're going to come back to adjusting the text of the captions, but let me just continue with what I was doing. Let me just go to this page here and again find the right caption, copy and paste, and I'll just plonk it here for now. There is a way you can actually plonk things in the same spot. For instance, let's say you want every caption to appear in exactly the same position, and I'll just unhyphenate that. So you want everything to appear in the same spot. This is how you do it. You select the first text box, position it where you want, select it, then you copy it from here, go to the next page, click once to activate it, and then this time you go to paste in place. And InDesign will pop that text box in exactly the same spot as the other one. And then, of course, to change the text, you go back to your Word document, you select the text, and you then select the text that's in that text box and paste the new text in its place. Now, I won't continue with the captions. I'll finish it off in another time. But that's basically how you add captions. You can type it in yourself or you can copy and paste from another place.